This video walks you through how to embed Canva code on Wix. Begin in Canva and log in to your account if you are not already signed in. Open the design you want to place on your Wix site. This should be the exact design you want visitors to see, since the embed code will come from this file. With the design open, move to the Share option in Canva. From there, select Embed. Canva will generate an HTML embed code for that design. Click Copy to place that code on your clipboard. Make sure you copy the full code before leaving Canva, since you will paste it into Wix in a moment. Next, open Wix in a new tab or switch to it if you already have it open. Log in to your Wix account, go to the website where you want the Canva design to appear, and open the site editor by clicking Design Site or Edit Site, depending on what your dashboard shows. Wait for the editor to finish loading so all page tools are available. Once you are in the Wix editor, go to the left side and click the Add button, shown as a plus sign. In the panel that opens, choose Embed. Inside that section, select Embed HTML. This adds an HTML embed element to the page, which is a space where the Canva code will be placed. After the element appears on the page, click it and choose Enter Code. A code box will open. Paste the Canva embed code you copied earlier into that HTML box. Check that the code is fully pasted and not cut off. Then click Update or Apply, depending on the version of the editor you are using. Wix will load the embedded content into the element. When the Canva design appears, adjust its size and position on the page. Drag the corners to resize the embed so it fits the layout you want, and move the element into the correct section of the page. If the design looks cramped or misaligned, make the frame larger and give it enough space to display properly. Next, use the Preview option in Wix to check how the embedded Canva design displays. This step helps confirm that the content loads correctly and appears where you expect it on the page. If something looks off, return to the editor and adjust the size or placement before continuing. Once the preview looks correct, click Publish in Wix. This makes the embedded Canva design visible on your live website so visitors can view it directly on the page. Your Canva design is now embedded and live on your Wix website.